It's the red zone, nigga from the east. Huh. Don't act like blacks, you niggas that don't speak. I'ma slide on them niggas, check this shit like O3. Bitty cat, toe teeth, vegetables with the crease. Still screaming that fuck the other side. Huh. No, they don't know me yet all that day. I'm rough and she ride, we'll fuck up your life. I can tell no chopper thing, listen, quick ignorant. I ain't hanging in no, what's the Mickey in it? I ain't hanging in no bar, let the blicky in it. 4-5 flip it, slam him like he sticky fingers, huh? Dumbass. Property. Ha. Fuck that bitch too. Don't trust that nigger in your trap, he might snitch. So middle school, I was like, skip you, huh? Now I'm grown and all on my own and ain't shit cool. Well, I'm doing that internet. Pussy we ain't internet. Fuck her with it, Jimmy and dog talking finish that. Blood on my thumbs look like balls on my vinaigrette. Hollow tips that leave us hanging like he Timmy turn. Leave a bitch with her back aching in her feelings hurt. She checked bitch like Paprika. Shout out to my TT maker. She saw me drinking that hand. Told me one day I was gonna need it. I gonna lie damn near I did, but I quit it. I be link. Percocet selling my pants. Man's right next to the hater. I don't need a group of niggers to say fuck y'all. Take my butts off. Let me see. Hang my arm at the window. Let it sing. Kick that pussy nigger over, make him breathe. Knock the blood out his chest, hear him wheeze. We was in that nigger's hood, he died on his street. Fuck the mother niggas, we can scrap her, stuck the mother niggas. Plus the mother niggas don't smoke, cause we the toughest niggas. Fuck the releases, kiss you scrap for dillies. I'll bust a bitch ass at Benny and just give me a. It's a nigger Raleigh out in traffic, knock him over the median, don't beef no idiots, put that chopper tapping over there immediately. Bingo. Okay? Fuck the mother niggers, cause I'm down for my nigger. Okay?